Hi, it's Matt from Octane Specialist Cars. I hope you're well. We just wanted to do a quick walk around video today of this 2016 long wheelbase T32 Volkswagen Transporter 2-litre TDI automatic DSG we currently have in stock. It benefits from full main dealer service history from new, no less than 9 stamps in the book. The all-important Cambelt and water pump were done at main dealer, on time and in full. It's recently just been serviced. It benefits from Sportline front bumper, spoiler and grille with the yellow accents which complement this grey colour absolutely wonderfully. It's such a stunning, versatile van is this. Being a long wheelbase as well, it's super rare. It has 20-inch Fond metal alloy wheels in graphite grey. These are an Italian wheel, probably a value of about £2,000 worth of wheels. They're an offset, again suit the vehicle so well. This van benefits from twin sliding doors, a rear seat that folds completely flat, which is a massive benefit for anybody that would like to use the vehicle as a leisure vehicle to either camp out in, sleep in. It's got curtains to the rear, curtains to both side windows already fitted, LED lights to the rear, curtains to the back doors, embossed VW carpeted rear, insulated floor, sound deadening and carpeted to the roof, the sides, right up to the cab. Twin captain's chairs to the front, which swivel and pivot so you can face the people in the rear. In such great condition. The upholstery is just lovely. Overmats to the front, all the keys, all the papers, including the service key. A fully stamped service book, like I say, with no less than 9 stamps. Just in great condition. Heated and folding mirrors. Fabulous wheels. Sidebars, like I say, twin sliding doors. LED lights to the rear. Reverse camera. Look at the carpeting in this. It's just absolutely stunning. It drives effortlessly and it's so quiet being insulated. This floor has been padded underneath and sound deadened. LED lights up there, as you can see. It's got twin power sockets in the rear. Curtains, blackout curtains all the way through. Blackout curtains to the rear. Tinted glass, twin sliding doors, armrests, like I say, swivel seats, automatic gearbox, DAB radio, cruise control. Just a lovely van. Stunning condition, low ownership, full service history. Just a great buy this. LED running lights, upgraded front lights, so many extras, and in great condition as well. As you can see, extremely straight down both sides, no dings, no bangs, no scuffs. Just presents wonderfully well, and it drives just like it looks. USBs to the rear of the seats on both sides. Auto lights, multifunction steering wheel, just been superbly well looked after from new. Air conditioning, soft close dash, upper storage, carpets everywhere. Crying out for a bed in the rear. This just go straight in with this flat folding rear seat. They're super rare as well. Great condition. Stunning wheels. Great to show you the van. If you wanted to come and take a look, our showrooms are in Rochdale. We're open by appointment only, any time to suit. It'd be lovely to show you around. Thank you very much.